Hi, today I'm part of the Motorola G13 and I'll show you how to check battery health with Ampere app on this device. So first we should get the application from the Play Store. That's why here in the search pool enter the Ampere. And now we should get this application. That's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application will download in and then installing on your device. After that, tap to open the app, click yes I agree, click close, and then the left down corner tap to OK. So now we can see information about our battery health, and in my case the battery is in a good condition. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.